I'm standing here with Brenda at the beautiful Garland Nursery, and you know, when we came here today, Brenda, I looked around and all I saw was a whole bunch of color,
yes.
and that's perfect because Mother's Day.
Yes, moms love color and moms love fragrance too. And one of our picks for your mom this weekend is the Bloomerang Dark Purple Lilac. It has a wonderful lilac fragrance, beautiful flowers, and it reblooms. If you give it a nice deadheading after it's done blooming the first time, it will send out flowers.
Which is really only an extra bonus for this one because of that reblooming potential, which we've even heard it at the Lilac Garden up in Washington. They've said, no, we've had it, it works. So we have a witness. Yes,
so it's nice when something lives up to what they promise.
Right,
so
exactly.
Good. Then we have the Peruvian lily, Inca lily. It's Alstroemeria. It's wonderful for arrangements. Cut flowers that last a super long time. It's one of my favorite cut flowers, and blooms for quite a long time. This is the new series. Takes full sun, light shade. Great plant.
It is, and you know, one of the things that I love about it is as each of these stems starts to kind of die back on the blooms, if you just go down and twist, it pulls it out, shoots up new ones with more blooms on it. It's a fascinating plant.
Yep, that's a nice tip because that twisting is different than you do with most things.
It's true.
All right, another one of my perennial favorites is the Delphinium. Having visited Bouchard Gardens, have you been there when the Delphiniums are blooming? They're outstanding. So this is just a gorgeous perennial. It does want a better drained soil. Didn't like my heavy clay soils at home, but it grows
But you
great.
learned a lesson.
I learned a lesson. And hey, the other thing is, it's not that expensive. If it doesn't come back from year to year, plant a new one.
Right.
Darn it.
Yeah, there's no shame in that.
No, absolutely not. All right, so then we have the Dahlias, which have been one of our most popular color items this year. They are just absolutely fabulous. From the two-tone pink, red behind us, there's a lighter pink, there's been a dark purple,
there's
really
just
gorgeous.
a lot of colors, which there's got to be a color in this family of plants that will appease every mother.
Yes, absolutely, and they bloom all summer long. They love it hot. Usually they'll form a tuber and come back. No absolute guarantee, but normally they do that.
Right, wonderful, wonderful.
Also the Regal geraniums, we used to call them Martha Washingtons, but now they call them Regal, and they are very regal, very queenly. Pretty, come in a assorted range of pinks, purples, and maroon kind of colors, and they will keep blooming if you keep them deadheaded, and they'll take full sun to light shade as well. Have you ever grown these?
I have, and you know, I think people forget that a lot of the process of the longer bloom time is just paying a little attention, snipping them back so that they rebloom.
Just take that old flower when it's done. If you can, get down there and
pinch it right
pull like
there.
that,
Easy
or
peasy.
else pinch her with shears. New introduction this year from Monrovia is Sun Believable, Brown-Eyed Girl. It is a sunflower that blooms all summer long.
No way.
I know.
That's so cool.
It doesn't come back, unfortunately, but since when have you ever heard of a sunflower where you get all summer long color on it?
No, that's true right there. So there you have it. Yeah, that's lovely. Well, you know, Mother's Day is always a great day for so many of us, and to think about things that you want to get your mom is even better, and it's so much easier if you come out to Garland Nursery, pick a beautiful flower to take home to your mother. Thank you so much, Brenda.
Thank you, William.